Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTNB. We will take a look at 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $1.32. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.32, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of strength. Next area of support after that would be that previous breakout point down there at $1.25. So $1.32, $1.25, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.32 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward, and that is just right up here around, let's see, what is that? The $1.42 mark. I realized during the final 30 minutes, the price did poke its head up above that level. But as far as a general price congestion point, just a whole lot of data points right around $1.42. So I'm going to consider that kind of the quote-unquote true level of resistance, if you will. All in all, though, what matters the most is what the chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just building higher bases. As long as higher bases continue to be built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then everything else will take care of itself given enough time. So focus on those healthy consolidations and higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.